But I was led astray the day you walked away. Your feelings changed like the weather. Went from clear to gray. All that time away.
Hey! Hi, cute!
You want to see him do a trick?
Yes, if
it doesn't work, you have to cut it and then we'll do it until he does it, okay? This is my pooch! Sit. Paw. Paw. Okay, ready? Ready? Story time. Today, we took him to the vet to get one of his shots, right? And so, my mom got a new car. We got a new Maserati. And so, she decided to take her car to the vet, or not the vet, something. What is it called? It's something to get dog shots and crap, right? Basically, on the way there, I turned around and all of a sudden, there's poop everywhere. I held my nose the entire time. I wouldn't look. And so then my mom was like turning around and watching, and she was like, I think he threw up too. I don't even know if you could put this in because it's disgusting. I literally was gagging, and then finally like we let him out, and he knows when he does something wrong, and so he went under the car and stayed there, and he wouldn't come out, so we had his leash on, so we like literally dragged him from under the car. That's my devil of the day. Paw. 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 Okay. I get a video of him peeing.
Oh my god, stop your head. What are you doing? Okay, hi! We're gonna go get some cookies right now. Alright, Missy. Oh, this is pie. What kind of cookies do you want? That's chocolate chip. Where are we going now? I've never had Chipotle, and everyone's always
It's my favorite food. It's so good. Like, it's my favorite.
I've had their guac, kind of bad.
Don't talk about Chipotle like that. Like, I'm so serious. Take me to your best friend's house.
Go around this roundabout. Oh. Okay, so we got Chipotle. I'm kind of excited, but like, it was really rushed. I don't like being rushed.
Usually not that rushed. It's just there's a lot of people there. And
Yeah, I've been inside there like twice, and I've never like seen that many people. But we're going to Burlington like real quick because we need to get a gift for someone. And yeah, feel bad that y'all.
Go!
We get them this. Please add it to the cart. There's no price. That means it's free.
Oh!
There's no butter?
No!
We can use olive oil.
Okay.
Welcome to Baking with Ash and Kelly. I mean, we can just take a cup and do a half of that.
Why did I put the egg in there?
You're so cute, Kelly. I need to recover from that. Heat the oven to 375.
Do I know how to do that?
Kelly, what did you do?
Made a baby.
I have really good.
Ow!
Do we need a little more olive oil or no? A little more olive oil and that's it. This is feel good.
How?
I don't remember this being a duet.
I don't remember inviting you over.
I popped something.
Hey! What are you doing? Huh?
You better stay.
Cookie time.
Oh, it kind of burns.
Oh Oh, that's kind of cute.
Whale sounds.
Shark attack!
What do you think? Yes? Yes.
Now we eat the cookies.
These smell so good. Thanks. These are really good. I dropped my cookie on the bottom of my milk, so she's giving me a fork. Now I just have an Oreo milkshake. Like, oh wait, there we go. Okay, cool. Hey guys, so I'm just coming on here to end the video. I had so much fun today. We didn't really vlog when I left because, like, once we made the cookies, we were kind of done with the video. We had to catch up a little bit. It's been a few weeks since I've seen her, and I missed her a lot. She is literally one of the best people I know. Kelly, I love you so much. I know you're watching this, but yeah, I hope you guys like this. Like, it was a really random vlog. I just was really in the mood to make a video, and I was like, Kelly will obviously want to do it. Kelly loves when I make videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have all of my like socials. I'll have Kelly's socials linked down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.